be telling you how to get 20% off of Pop in a Box and showing you the 5 Pop mystery box with a mystery geeky gift. The channel for all your pops. First of all, the 20% link is in the description or the information bar in the top corner. This is for first time purchases, or you could open a new account and get the 20% off. Right, let's get on with the mystery box. Pop in a Box does 3 mystery box sizes. A 3 Pop bundle with 2 commons and 1 limited edition. A 4 Pop bundle with 2 commons and 2 limited editions. Or a 5 Pop bundle with 3 commons and 2 limited editions. And a mystery geeky gift, which is the one I have here. Right, now let's open the box. The first pop we have here is Geisha from Ghost in the Shell, number 386. The second pop is the Labrador Retriever from Pets, number 5. The third pop is Piper from Fallout 4, number 164. The fourth pop is Toy Freddy from Five Nights at Freddy's, number 128. This is glow in the dark. And the fifth pop is Sam I Am from Dr. Seuss, number 05. And this is flocked. And the geeky gift I got was Aquaman from Justice League. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe.